Monday, and it's a holiday here in Canada, so we don't have work today. Let me just pause. So right now it's only 11. Kat went to get some coffee, and then I already prepared breakfast, and I think today we're just hanging out at home. We're watching that, and then prepared breakfast, and then just waiting for Kat. Kain na kami. Ito yung binili namin dun sa winery. And then, bumili si Kat ng coffee. Ayun yan sa kanya. Ginagamit niya ito kanina, pero kinuha ko. So, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay na tinira namin dati. Sa may freezer. Tapos, bisita lang kami kasi aalis na yung isa naming friend. Mag-move na siya to Vegas. So, yeah, she's leaving tonight.
So, bibisitahin muna namin siya. Magbababaw lang kami saglit. Tapos, yun na.
Yeah.
Kasi medyo matatagalan pa siya dun sa Vegas, no? Kaya, yeah. Pasok muna kami.
Reference to the center. Ay, sorry, Bukit.
Bye, Ate Chickay.
Lightning. Ha?
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you 3.
Who's 3? No, not Milo, just me. Bye, Ate Chickay.
So, ihahatid na po namin sa Ate Chickay ngayon sa airport.
Because she's leaving. She's going to the Philippines and then to Vegas.
Yeah.
Oh, Vegas pala.
Yeah.
Unahan ko.
These are newlyweds right here. And then Ate Chickay will also be a newlywed.
Soon to be.
Oh, they're right there.
Selfie.
Oh, bilis.
Hindi ako marunong.
Ngayon sa
Richmond,
Walmart sa Richmond kasi sabi nila umuwi na daw kami with Anna's car, pero ayoko. Hintayin na lang namin sila matapos.
Totoo. So, habang inaantay namin sila, kasi masyado maraming tao sa airport.
Magtitingin-tingin kami sa Walmart.
That is right.
Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Iwan natin yun si Angeria. Iwan natin siya ngayon. Angeria, bantayan mo ang house, ha? Okay. See you later.
Uwi na po kami, guys. Stuck po yung train, guys. Ito pa yung mga tao. Hindi pa po nag-move kasi may delay daw yung biyahe ngayon. So, ito. Naantok na siya. Daming tao.
home now. Okay. I almost got it. Again. Again. Ready? It bounced. KJ mo. Or me. Stick. Mr. Cat is watching
Mr. Death, I'm not recording.
replays of
And this
the
is from my
trial.
new Mr. Death met in San Francisco in July of 2016,
That's
right?
it. Welcome back. I'm going to get lunch right now because it's lunchtime. Here. So I got it. Going back to work now. So I got a chicken box. It was only $15. Yeah, I'll show you inside.
So guys, ngayon pala, it's Friday, meron tayong appointment sa skin art for our Bella Facial MD. I-update ko kayo mamaya. Oh my god, it feels so nice.
Hi everyone, I am now home and I'm going to pick up Kat in a little bit, and then we're gonna go to Angelu's house, and then we're gonna come back home and prepare everything for my family because they're coming tomorrow. My family meaning Ate, Mom, Ate Grace, and my little sister Carmela. So I just loaded the laundry with bed sheets, and then we've already like kept it clean so that we don't have much to do, but we're gonna move a lot of things around because Kat and I will be staying in the den, so then they can all just stay in the bedroom, and so there's no one staying in the living room, so it's like it's clear. And yeah, so pretty busy, but it's okay. Today we're gonna see Cloud and baby Zeke and Angelo and Dion, so that's really nice. It'll be a nice break to everything, and then doing a lot after. But yeah, it's okay. I'm also home because the handyman, Mr. Wilson, was here. He fixed up, there was a loose hinge, I guess. Is it a hinge? In the washroom for the handle of the towels, and then there's also like Kat used the cabinet as support when she was getting up, and then it fell off. So he went and fixed that today too, and then yeah, since everything is done, we're just gonna move everything around, and there's not much because we already packed the bags in the box, so everything is clear here. Na pick up na pala yung box kahapon. Hindi ko lang siya na video kasi I was in a meeting at the same time, and then it was so stressful. I was in a meeting, and then there's people picking up the package, and then Mr. Wilson came. It was just so busy. Anyways, Kat just texted that she's done, so I have to go pick her up, and then yeah, we'll just update you as the night comes and night goes. Anyways, thanks.
Golden hour!
Wow, you look so good. Wow.
Sure ka ba?
You're so cute. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Oh, hello. Alis tayo? Oh, matutulog ka ba mamaya? Ano? Are you full, sir? How full are you? What did you eat for dinner? Oh, yeah? Wow! Wow! How's being a dad?
Easy.
Wait, ano?
I was born for this.
Pag natutulog siya, may... Just in case.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Hulo. Itsura mo.
Tara, let's.
Ganap kayo.
Gising naman. Bata.
Parang ang sarap siyang, ganun ang itsura niya, pero palaki mo.
Bakit papalaki ko?
So, ang maganda ka dito sa sa boardwalk. Maganda sana gawin. Di ba may mga lamps, tapos may mga upuan. Ano ka lang, dala ka lang ng beer, tapos upo ka lang, tapos yun nga, enjoy mo lang to. Tama naman, oh. Oh. It's so quiet.
This is nice.
Hi.
I guess as you can see,
Oh.
joke lang. Nakasulat, do not disturb. Gaganunin ko sana yung Buhay.
Oh my gosh.
Joke lang.
No.
Sa mga ganong tao, minsan naiinis ako at the same time na medyo naiinis ako.
True. I feel
Like kasi, like parang, ay ano ba yan, ang lalaking tao na, parang naglalaro pa ganun. Parang yung other side ng isip ko, like parang wow, ang tapang naman nilang parang ganun, like parang, alam mo yun, ang carefree naman nila. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.
Wow, so pretty.
Tanong si Pia kung may sweetener.
Gusto ko yung picture ng danger.
Kung meron?
May sweetener daw.
Parang sasapian.
Meron.
Tama yung logo ng danger nila. Parang sinasapian.
Nice ko lang. Uy, ang cute man. Oh, cute na mga ba?
Wow, that's so big.
Nagpapos tayo sa kanila.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna
So
say hi.
big. Wow. Wow.
Parang nag-glow. Don't touch me. Tama, hawakan ko.
Ay, sus, nakamangot. Yo, yo, yo.